Heidi mentioned a tool earlier on called Looker. This is a game-changing tool. This tool can work independently. This tool can modernize business intelligence and analytics as a base, which means it just wants the data. Once it has the data, sorting it, modeling it, putting machine learning behind it will start to integrate an experience model from the intelligence baked within. The nice thing about things like Looker, and there are many competing products out there, but what we've liked about Looker is it has workflows that meet you where you are. Looker for Analytics can help you in your journey. And the way it does that is it looks at the data source, so where we're siloing the data, centralizing the data in an analytics platform like BigQuery to do very fast paced and enhanced analytics on the data. It then comes in the middle, and it uses its business intelligence and machine learning tool sets to understand your data. The nice thing about Looker is it already has trained models. It has trained understanding of how to treat data. It integrates and reports seamlessly. It introduces workflows to meet you where you are. And most importantly, it is there for custom application. If you want to integrate your visualizations into more sites external to Looker or cloud, it has the functionality to embed and offer you more stringent ways to secure the data and represent it where you need it. Looker for Analytics results in many, many different industries. With more templates and already acquired industry knowledge, visualizing your data and standard builds are at your fingertips.